How's it going, guys? We're here to do a plug sink today in a back-to-back apartment. Pretty sure we've done this one several times. How you doing? Here to look at the sink?
Yes.
Okay.
Do you want us to move this?
I can do it. I'm just gonna. Yeah, I was just gonna close that up because I'm actually gonna push this over there. It's okay. I got it. You're good. You're good.
It's raining now, but it was really fun.
Can I give that to you?
Yes.
Thank you. All right. So it is draining?
Yeah, it's raining.
Okay, that's good. Okay. I'm gonna pull down my mask, okay? Just gonna shift this over. No, that's the only thing I'm putting up there. I just don't want it to. I didn't want to throw it on the floor and not be able to pick it up over top. All right. Okay, I'll be right back in 1 second. I just gotta run next door. How you doing?
Hello.
Can you run your hot water for me?
Yep.
Just keep it running until I let you know. It's probably going to be about 10-15 minutes.
Okay.
Thank you.
No problem.
Hello. Thank you.
Just in case, okay.
All right. Well, it's gonna be grease in the line, right? It builds up from the kitchen, but that's unfortunately normal with apartment buildings. Yeah, the water would have been coming from upstairs. Can I use a couple of these? Thank you. So the water would have been coming from when they used the water upstairs because there was a blockage below your unit. Exactly. Okay. Honestly, hot water. Run lots and lots of hot water on a regular basis. Usually I tell people, after you've done your dishes, run your hot water for about a half an hour. Okay, you guys got decent pressure and not decently hot. If you don't think it's hot enough, grab a couple big pots, boil them on a regular basis, pour that down. You guys are basically the bottom floor, the way the drains are set up, right? So you're getting everybody's grease from up above, right? And so how many units, how many floors in this building, do you know? Let's say 30, right? 2 units on one stack, 60 units, right? You guys are gonna get it all the time, and you do. And I've been next door so many times. It's kind of one of those things when you're on the lower floors, this is life, unfortunately. Yeah. Yeah, so if you guys do your part and lots of hot water, you guys don't pay for it, make it your best friend, right? That's what I tell people. It's have it running all the time. The longer the better, and the more frequent the better. Okay. All right, guys? So the super's gonna come up and get his stuff, and then we'll kind of go from there. Okay, thanks so much. All right, no problem. You guys have a good day. Thanks. Hi. Okay, so if you can keep your water running, the longer the better. If you're going out, shut it off. If you're staying in, keep it on. It's grease, right? I'm pretty sure I've been here before.
Yeah, you have.
Right, it's the same thing as it always.
So you just unclogged it?
I unclogged it from that side, yeah.
Okay, so you don't need to come in here?
Don't need to come in here.
Okay.
Just.
How long should I run it for? Like.
I usually tell people a half an hour.
Half hour? Okay, I could do that.
Right?
Okay.
But if you're going out, shut it off. Okay. But if you do that on a regular basis, it'll be good for you.
Okay.
All right?
So like help the grease?
Yeah, melt it down, right?
Yeah, it's been like overflowing a few times. I'm surprised I didn't get like a plumber to come here.
Have you let them know about that?
Yeah, I did.
Really?
But they just would like plunge it and then just, it would go down, but I guess today since it wasn't going down, they had to call you.
Yeah.
It was like an emergency.
Unfortunately. Have a good day, okay?
Thank you.
We'll see you next time. Thank you. So there you go, guys. This has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Taragna.